One mistake can ruin your blood sugar reading. Welcome to Healfit Media. Today, let's master the perfect clinical step and the exact time to check your diabetes. So let's dive in.
First, we need to prepare our lancing device. Always insert a brand new sterile lancet for every test. Reusing needles can cause micro trauma to your skin and increase the risk of infection. Once the new needle is in, securely replace the cap. Next, we adjust the puncture depth dial. You will notice numbers on the device. For average skin, a setting of a 4 or 5 is usually ideal. However, if you have rougher or thicker skin, you may need to increase the indicator to a 6 or 7 to get an adequate blood drop. Now, which finger should you choose? Clinically, we recommend using the side of your middle or ring finger. The sides have fewer nerve endings compared to the center of the fingertip, making the procedure significantly less painful. Before taking the sample, proper sterilization is mandatory. So clean the selected area with an isopropyl alcohol pad. But here is a crucial clinical tip. Always let the alcohol air dry completely. If you prick your finger while it is still wet, the alcohol can mix with the blood, causing unnecessary stinging and resulting in a falsely altered reading. Once the area is completely dry, insert the fresh test strip into your glucometer. Wait for the machine to initialize and display the flashing blood drop symbol and confirming it is ready. Place the lancing device firmly against the side of your prepared finger and press the release button. You can gently massage the finger from the base upward to encourage a proper blood drop. Now bring the edge of the test strip to the blood, allowing the capillary action to pull it until the machine beeps. While the machine calculates our reading, let's discuss the most effective times to check our levels. Medical professionals primarily look at two specific times. The first is fasting blood sugar or FBS. This is measured first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to check your baseline glucose level. The second is post-Prandial blood sugar. This should be measured exactly 2 hours after you start eating a meal. This reading is vital because it shows how efficiently your body is processing the carbohydrates you just consumed. And there is our precise reading. Always remember to safely dispose of your used lancet and strip after the procedure. Monitoring your numbers correctly is the first step in managing your health. Thank you for watching. If you found this clinical guide helpful, please subscribe.